Hey, Potato Nation. I wanted to give you an update on our solar, how much we saved, how much money the system saved. We're pretty impressed with it, and we love it completely. Absolutely love it completely. Let's just jump right to it. Our winter electric bill is 212 bucks. Our summer electric bill was $300. This is after I did all the changes on the tankless hot water heater. That's another video. Solar only is what we're talking about. I couldn't be more thrilled with this solar system. It just in 2 to 3 months, it's now I have no electric bill. So our December and January in this area was a little snowy, I guess you could say, overcast, little wasn't good for producing solar. My first electric bill from getting the solar, it was cut in half to $100. That might not seem like a lot to you, but I'm absolutely thrilled with that. The second bill, in February, is $50, and we're projected this year to make more energy than what we use. So that means no bill at all. So I've noticed, and this is gonna sound really stupid, because if you would realize solar, your winter solar and your summer solar are two different animals. Your sun is not as powerful in the winter. It's not as high in the sky in the winter. It's not, the days are longer in the summertime. So summertime, we're going to generate money, and that's just amazing. Like, I have to give a shout out to, you're going to hear the spiel, James, Green Legacy Solar. Oh, what a great company. I couldn't be more thrilled with them. As like I've always said, always get 3 quotes. And if I would suggest to you, always get 3 quotes. Just don't take my word for it, but I'm saving you a bunch of time. If you're in South Central PA, have James from Green Legacy Solar be one of your quotes, because he will be the guy you end up going with. He will be the company you end up going with. His dudes are professional. He's professional, knowledgeable. Man, after the sale, he's already been paid. And I can text him. I have questions sometimes. He made this whole process so easy. I love this Enphase app. My wife loves this Enphase app. We get to see our solar being produced. We get to see how many trees we're saving. We get to see how many, carbon footprints we save. We get to see how much money we're saving. Yay. I am cheap. I'm a cheap guy. Always have been. But I don't mind spending money where it belongs. And every single home that has a decent roof, has sunshine on that roof. I'm not going to call you a fool, but you would be a fool not to have solar. Oh my goodness, don't even get me started on an SREC. I absolutely love an SREC. Man, what is it? It is a certification that for every 1,000 kilowatt hours that you produce and generate, you get an SREC. And SRECs in Pennsylvania traded about 38 to 42 bucks each. So that means for every 1,000 kilowatt hours, you get 40 bucks, basically, for producing clean energy. So, like, Washington, D.C. is 350 bucks an SREC, and Iowa is X amount of dollars an SREC. It depends on your area and where you're at. We are going to generate 18,000 kilowatt hours this year, which says we're going to make 18 SRECs easily. And that's 18 SRECs times $40 in the pocket. That has nothing to do with your power bill or whatever. It's just basically what it does is kind of give a little hand smacky to the power companies for generating dirty energy. Basically, the federal government is trying to get people to go with clean energy, save our planet and shit. That'd be kind of nice, wouldn't it? So you're getting paid for it, man. Everything about this system is awesome. If you say, "Hey, I can't afford to buy a system," man, James at Green Legacy Solar has zero down for you. It can do zero down and make payment plans, and your payments will just basically be in trade of what electric bill you would have had. It's win-win-win-win. There's no lose. Man, I'm so thrilled on this system. Couldn't be more happier. Worth every penny. My goodness. I would suggest that you buy the system outright if you can. If you own your own home and you have room on your mortgage, go get a mortgage. You know what I mean? Like, buy the system and have it paid off that much quicker. SRECs, yay. If you can't, do zero down. It's still worth it. Like, call James. He'll walk you through the whole process. His company's great. He's great. How many times do I got to say, this guy is great? I'm telling you. Save you money. That's what Build More with Less is all about, to save you money. Show you how to. Love that solar.